I'm thinking about requesting a garden plot at the Shelby Farms Community Garden because my home vegetable growing area is small. I won't be able to check on it every day. Can you recommend some vegetables to plant in a community garden that are easy to grow and low maintenance? And this is Jill from Germantown, Tennessee. So Peter, easy to grow and low maintenance.
Yeah.
Vegetables. So what do you have in mind?
Well,
for Miss Jill?
Yeah. Well,
like
most vegetables and most things you can grow in the garden, if you go every 3 or 4 days, that's often enough. The things that you need to, the reason why you need to go more frequently is because how long is it going to take the bug or the disease to really blow up in your garden? And also how often do you have to check it so that you can harvest it before all of it goes over the hill? And so those are the two things I look at. But if you go every 3 days, you can pretty much do any vegetable because you could just keep in mind, you know, for instance, on a tomato, you might want to pick it before it's at the peak of redness, because when you come back in 3 days, it might be too red and you'd have to throw it away. So you might want to pick a little early and a little smaller for some things. But the number one vegetable I'd say is peppers.
Peppers, yes.
Because very little disease problems, bug problems, anything like that. And also there's a huge harvest window on those because you can harvest them from green all the way through red, and sometimes that's several weeks long. Now, let's see, bush beans would probably be good because bush beans come out all at once. So rather than pole beans that kind of have their harvest spread out over a long time, you do bush beans where you can harvest it all and you pretty much have it all at that point. You don't have to worry about it again. Onions, carrots, lettuce, pumpkin if you have space. Pumpkin has a huge harvest window because you can months long.
That's good.
I'd avoid watermelon and cantaloupe. Just because it has that narrow harvest window. So, you know, watermelon, when it's done, you better pick it, or it's going to start fermenting inside pretty quick. So I'd avoid those, but that's what I think.
Oh, that's some pretty good choices. Yeah, because you threw in some warm season veggies. You know, your leafy greens would be something to grow. And then he mentioned some warm season vegetables as well.
And something else, my mom did this once. We had a community garden growing up, and we had a problem where we had some large animals, namely humans, that would take our stuff. So what she did is she went out and she took flour and spread it around like she was dusting for insects, and then put up a sign that says danger.
Oh gosh.
Danger, like dangerous pesticide or something like that. Nobody touched it.
Nobody touched it. I wonder why. I wonder why.
It's just flour, just wash off. And,
Pretty smart.
That's smart, very smart.
Yeah, don't give folks too many ideas. Yeah, they might like that one. That's pretty good.
That myself.
That is pretty good. So yeah, Miss Jill, I hope you get that garden plot. And guess what? You can come to the extension office here in Shelby County, and we have publications.
Publication on how to grow vegetables, how long it takes, normally for the harvest.
Right.
The harvest period. So
I call it the ultimate cheat sheet.
Yeah, we have that all the
with
time.
it. Yeah, so come see us.
Just keep a date when you plant it and a date when it's harvested. You got it right there.
That'll do it. Come see us, Miss Jill. We'd be happy to give you that publication. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, subscribe. We have hundreds of family plot videos for you to view.